Hello everybody, Speedrun here once again, and in today's video I'll just be reading rAthena forum. This is a new content, and if you like, please comment. I want to see more of this kind of video. I'm going to start to read from November 16, and today is December 6th. Alright, so just sharing my first script made. rAthena is great. Okay, let's see what he have done. MVP status track. MVP status tracker. Alive 46 and dead 0. So you can see all the MVPs. Okay, that's cool. And yeah, he didn't share the script, he just showed. Very nice, very nice. So okay, nodes, send me their option. Cool script, pretty neat, well done. All right, nice share. Releasing all my scripts I have worked with Gemini. Feel free to use or fix. So let's download and have a look at this. Okay, let's check. So barters. Oh, there's hidden. Okay, for those who know how to read script, this must be cool. So have the add-on office, everything. So many people look for this script. So here we go. Main office. Oh, that's cool. Mobs. What is this flavor? Okay. System. Wow, this person really know how to code. All right. Let's continue. What's Jimmy is Google AI. Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm not well versed in AIs and stuff. Is it any good? Actually, this AI is, if I remember right, is for those who have a domain, and you can actually use the Gmail will come with the AI if you purchase the domain. What is the most used language in programming? Profanity. Okay. AIs are good when you know what you're doing. Most of people think AI will generate magic code to fit everyone's need. The amount of people who really like chat blah 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 for everything in their life, work, personal, everything, it's scary. Kind of agree. I mean, it's just a tool. You can hammer a nail with a hammer, or you can do it old school way with a rock or even your hands. Nice comment. And then this is one of the best memes you can see. All right. Where do I report if a server admin exposes a player IP address publicly in Discord server? Not here, I think. If the guy is dumb enough to do that, rAthena devs has nothing to do. Yeah. Well, he just exposed 3 people. That's bad, but no one here care or could do something about it. I mean, I get your frustration, but the guy is dumb. But no one here can do something about it. Might as well make posts regarding that server owner with myself. Okay. They should change their passwords in other servers if they're using the same. If he does shit like this, probably doesn't encrypt them too. But I don't know why to bother with IPs. I just restart my internet and boom, IP changed. Except you're using fixed IP. Okay. So I think I might have found the easiest way to enable third jobs in Prairie, but I'm not sure if I can replicate it. You only need to change one line in the source. I have tested some SKUs and it works perfectly for now at least. Then someone shared food. Looks like Korean food. Shusung cider. And then some wasabi meat. Okay. New video. Okay, we can have a little idea of what's in this video. Actually, I am muting the sound so there's no any copyright later. Okay, so this guy Zoop, and this is his YouTube. Okay, and then he's showing something about here. No clue what it's about. Anyone here else having some issue on forum? And then the rAthena forum was down the other day. Okay. Oh yeah, there was some issue on Cloudflare. And I remember I think was Cloudflare also responsible for Coinbase. So a lot of websites went down. Looks fine to me, but still progress. Up and down. Yes, Cloudflare is having a hiccup. And then do. And then there's a Vimeo video. Okay, I totally forgot this thing is still around. YouTube is way better. Now start with the chat mechanism, then combat and effects. Let's see what this person has done. I really like to read rAthena of topics. Every day I have a look at it. So this is looking good. This is looking really good. Wow, wait a second. Let's go on full screen, ladies and gentlemen. Full screen. Okay. Oh wow. Look at the graphics. Any monster? Wow, that's cool. That's really cool stuff right there. And then, wow, Vimeo is just sucks. Okay, nice reaction to the video. This is a hacked Discord account, so beware. How do people keep falling for that? Someone was banned right there. Oh, I know. Okay. So, do you know when someone just get infected on Discord? And I remember this person just shared three images. It's a very classic spam. Anyway. Okay. Okay, nothing matter here. What is that? Okay. And then more food over here. Korean food. I think this person is he the same person? Oh yeah. So this soulless man every day sharing his eating habit. This kind of stuff. Okay. Another infected phone. That never happens. I forgot I made this item. Mayonnaise. It's a mayonnaise instrument. It's a musical instrument. Mayonnaise for Bard. Very nice. He's my favorite developer of the whole time. Stallone. Shout out to you. I forgot I made this item. And then what is this? I'll share a video. Okay. I am on mute to prevent any copyright. Mayonnaise chocolate something interesting. It's a mayonnaise and instrument again. Oh, so it was something from SpongeBob. Oh, reverse. Just send me a message. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. And then Skylove, the dude who made the rAGC, he's talking now. He tested 2005, 11, 19. Let's see. This guy is a legend. Thanks to him, I made my latest tutorial. He's just testing out something. It's all in Korean, so no clue what is going on. And I actually asked him, but let's see this guy again, once again, sharing his food. Have a look, ladies and gentlemen. Every single time has garlic. And some nice sushi right there. And whatever this is. Okay, there's more. So I asked Skylove what was new compared to your previous exe release. In the old client structure, the important paths and strings exist as plain text inside the exe. But in the newer clients, those important parts are now encrypted or removed, and the client reads and compares the strings one character at a time in the memory before executing the related logic. This is just way beyond what I can understand. There aren't any major changes in the latest client version, but some parts related to pets and hit-based physical damage have been modified. Okay. I hope one day open equip your skill doesn't drop frames per second like 60%. So the rAC 2025, ladies and gentlemen, is having some frame drops when you open the skills and zoom out or something like this. Okay. Okay. And then they're talking about some hard drive or something, or graphic cards. And so I have heard, and friend confirms that when using Nemo, it doesn't have lag. When warp, the lag occurs. So that's interesting. No idea about it. But for rAC 2025, I do suggest to use warp. If you run like since, okay, no idea about that. So, Skylog show another video here. Let's have a look. Oh, that's a better quality one this time. And then there is this mob that's crazy. And then he's testing the FPS that's down here. So I haven't paid attention before. Let's see how it goes. So there's the FPS right now is 120. I'm not sure how you actually can enable the FPS right now. Frames per second, ladies and gentlemen. So he's testing and so far nothing happened. Let's see. Try to click more, blah, blah, blah. And then he's testing again. Recheck it, and it turns out that when the skill window is zoomed in, there's a noticeable drop in the frame rate. So let's have a look. Where is the frame? Oh, here, up here, ladies and gentlemen, this time. So somehow he can see the frames per second. No idea how it's done, but you can see. Okay. So there is something right there. This is because of the character moving client shows each frame that loops endlessly. Mine is locked in 60 frames per second using Fraps DX9. Coming home, you better not be 60 frames per second. Told ya happened, whatever. And then let's see what is the food of the day. Burgers, rice, kimchi, MSG, and some miso soup or something. Okay, that's the restaurant he was eating. Using 2026 Visual Studio, the UI is so sleek. What is the difference? It requires 10 GB space too. Oh yeah. Here you go. Here's the picture selected. Well, whatever. It's the same. I guess no one Russ told me it saves the space upon checking. Whatever. Okay. I have heard, whatever. This kind of thing, I'm not even sure what it is. JetBrains. I believe it used the cryptGRF. Okay. Nothing matters. Okay, that's a lot. I do need space, ladies and gentlemen. I keep seeing ads for whatever on YouTube. Okay. Today, Gravity filed a lawsuit in Brazil for illicit use of their trademark, copyrights, and arts by private servers. If one random judge opens this and say yes, Private servers will have 5 working days to cease operations because they have added precautionary measure, meaning even without being fully investigated and asterisk proceeds, they will have to cease immediately. They took the sweet time to Jesus to start it. They added absolutely everything. This time it's double the size of what they gathered for Nova. You remember the case in Nova? Nova Row was got a huge, massive lawsuit by Gravity. Times to move my sheets to Cayman Island. That's nice. Okay. The systems were described as well main game mechanism. There is a mention to use official wiki links. Oh, it's so cool to read off topics due to this kind of information. So if you're not joined to rAthena Discord, is a good place to be as well. My Discord, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's so easy to get around. Take down server, change name, put it back up. 2 major private Brazilian servers say they will fight back, especially because they pay taxes. Load, that what they remember not to use the same items. Até mesmo itens. So here I'll translate you guys. Even though items, icons, and descriptions in so they are saying the item description is using the original and is protected by like maybe copyright, and then the official, and then they call the pirates rAthena. So let's see, use. So it's comparing the official here and the description, which is, come on, right? Basically, you download online, you make your server already come with this kind of thing. Information shown on the wiki, the game outer from rAthena relation to advantage, whatever. I'm not sure how to translate this, but this is very funny somehow. And then down here, HP. Basically, it's comparing everything because they just using probably rAthena emulator or Hercules, I believe rAthena, and then like you download, anyone can do, and then they will have a copy of very close to Gravity. Not allowed to use same skill tree Windows apparently as official server. So by default, you download just like everything else. You guys know, okay? Everything matches. Basically, everything matches right here. So this is their server, and this is the official. Everything's matches. Okay. So as you can see in Brazil, lawsuits can look a lot like a high school project. What is this? JSYK. Justice and Public. In Brazil, anyone can download these files. Low fighting Gravity in court. I remember when Nova said he would fight them in court. Anyone who believes that? I got some real estate on that one for you to buy. Gravity asked $7,000 as compensation. That's so lame, but I guess that's just to start. Link to the case, and then someone shared the link to the case. But I can confirm that's legit because last time I saw a few documents related to that, almost the same. They download the private servers and screenshot the copyright. Since you said they're gonna fight, it's going to be interesting. Let's see. Let's see. So here, here are every single thing going on, ladies and gentlemen. The outer, and then I think it's the name of the person who made the Tails server. Oh my god. So there's a lot to read here. Oh, this is the lawyer. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of pages. Wow. Oh gosh. Oh, that's funny. So like even comparing the mobs, this is the official game, and then right here is the regular Tails. Everything matches. Okay. To create the character in the official, and right here, regular Tails. Ooh. So here saying the dimension of the violation, it's so hard to say. Ragnar tells in the opening of the game, it's put make available the message. So this means Gravity, people in Gravity actually played Ragnar Tales to find this out. Welcome to your new server, favorite server of Ragnar Online. And then so it's creating a false relation with the original product, and then bringing the consumer error. Oh, that's crazy. I don't give any opinion regarding to this. I'll let you guys comment in the description, whatever. And then, how many pages there? 350 pages? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay. If you want to read, it's right here. No idea why anyone would bother trying to fight the case. That's lost by default. I think it's kind of complex since they are paying taxes. That means they are doing register service in Brazil. So I guess so probably could be more complex than it looks. I don't know much about laws, but yeah, I agree. Either if they pay taxes or whatever they are using. Okay, just a lot of talk about this. Let's skip to the next one. I guess we're finishing soon. I'm not sure. Oh, nice t-shirt. Man. I don't know where he took the. Oh, another food. The food of the day. Let's see. Fish and some nice kimchi and some snacks. Oh, this looks delicious. I'm hungry. What is in the rice pot? Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Wow. That's another food. But this, what? Shot on red magic 10 Pro. What's even that is? Oh, this looks good. It looks like a curry. Something. You actually carry a gaming phone around. I think this is like only phone option without stupid control or an ugly looking nothing, not no touch and font screen low, which made me try it. Okay, and then here's a cool thing I just saw. Vashitido. Okay, it looks like Korean as well, but this design looks so great. The skin, wow, probably spent a lot of time to make it. And then, wow, this looks great, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. Okay. Be warned, pretend to be echoing, but it's a single K and whatever. Sounds legit. Sir, I wanna buy only 250. Is rAthena broke? What is it? They are traveling between Discord servers that are, if you see them, suggest bunny right away. They want to sell me a dev spot on rAthena team for 250 euro and ID, get exclusive updates and new content before anyone else. That's funny. Okay. I realized that 2025-0604 client cutting will cover the player's HP and SP bar. As you can see. Okay. Okay. Good thing that the one on the top left exists. So you can see right there. It's not really niche, to be honest. I think you're getting it wrong. Before this client HP would be blocked, we continue. I see. Oh. And then I share a map. Some people criticize that snow was too blue, and then I made a whiter version of this. Anyway, long time. Okay, here I fixed the snow. Looking much better now. Okay. And then someone was telling me to add some lights like this. And then yeah, I shared my pay on old pay on Christmas and after the commercial. Okay, so I think this is so much better, ladies and gentlemen. See, so much more detail to it. Of course, it took me many days to make it. And then I also have a Christmas town. I don't know, sponsored again. Okay. This Christmas town is actually really cool. And then new classes released by Gravity. We are almost at the end of the video. So the other day they just showed, and then oh, that's not old, by the way. Well, Chris asked it. Another legend in Ragnarok Online, and then was just announcement, but they actually just released it like 2 or 3 days ago, something like that. And then something else. What is this? It's a YouTube post. Let's see. Okay, there's like a wolf and whatever is happening. Let's translate. The new wolf forms area effects. Oh, come on, I'm tired to read, ladies and gentlemen. Now, let's see what's else. Okay, I shared a new video here. Go check it out. Just move everything to SQL already. So someone shared something really cool. I think I skipped. Anyway, let's go down. Go down here. Oh yeah, here. I have seen args, which I don't know what this args means. Switching from YML to TOML. So now rAthena went from TXT to this YAML, and then now someone did TOM, which is another language for the item info, and looks so good. Okay, even me that I'm not a coding person, I understand this, and it's really easy. You can put you can buy for how much, you can sell for how much, the way to attack, but nothing as TXT based, because before you could use server database editor and it was much easier. But this kind of thing is really good. And then you can even choose right or left hand. Easy. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So they were talking that due to the last Ragnarok line patch, I think it's a Korean Ragnarok line, so KRO, the map file Frontera was removed from the DJRF. The patch 2.txt file has been deleted. So this means Frontera was vanished from the GRF. That's really interesting. And we all wondering what's going on. And then so they say you can already add on your own, because then that's I don't know, maybe you get banned on the server, and you cannot customize things that will cause error. So no one know what's going on from Terra in KRO. You can run Crow without running their patch launcher. And then last, I'm accepting suggestions for the next custom map. That was the video for today. If you really enjoyed this random reading with speedrun, then I'll continue making more videos like this. I'll wait more topic come up, and I think it's a cool way to stay informed on what's going on Ragnarok Online World. And that's pretty much it. See you guys.